Hey everyone, this is Justine from JustPlans, and I have a decorative memory plan with me today. And by memory plan with me, I just mean that this week has already happened, and I am back planning it in my planner using this really beautiful Planning World kit. It's called B206, and I've been hoarding this kit for quite a while and saving it specifically for this week, which is the week of Valentine's Day. I just thought like the soft pinks and then the darker like raspberry pink colors were perfect for Valentine's Day, and I was super excited to use this kit finally because again, I've been hoarding it for quite a while. But yeah, if you are interested in that type of content, please consider subscribing if you aren't already. And smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm if you would like. And please comment down below so that I can talk to someone instead of myself. Thank you. Okay, so I am just laying down the base of the kit right now. This kit is in silver foil, so I pulled in a whole bunch of foiled stickers to go along with it. Lots of hearts. And yeah, this is, I haven't used a Planning World kit in quite a while. I really like the format of her kits, but honestly, since like this format of her kit is exactly the same for each of her kits. So I honestly think it's like time for Yuan to reformat, just because I'd like a little bit more variety in, especially I would say the bottom washi, um, you know, but and also like the foil on the half boxes or all the boxes. Like I do really like it and I think it's pretty, but it's literally the like carbon copy for every single kit. So I don't know if anyone feels the same way, and also like barely matters what my opinion is on that, but yeah, anyway. I really liked that this kit was in a silver foil. I think it would have typically, like I think it would look good with gold foil also, and maybe rose gold, but I think because of that like light yellow mustard color, I think gold would have been really pretty. But yeah, still think silver was perfect for this kit. These headers are from an oop sheet from Paper Design, and again, lots of hearts, perfect for Valentine's Day, I thought, and really excited to pull those in throughout the spread. So yeah, okay, so onto the sidebar. I am just layering some deco from the kit with a February script that is from Lilac Luna Plans, and I do have a coupon code for that shop. It is Justine15 to save 15% off, and you can also get my freebie along with that. We are actually coming up with a new freebie soon, so look out for that. And then I'm just pulling in some more of those Panda Bird Design heart headers into the sidebar along with some stickers from the kit. This box here, this frame box, is from the Pretty Pink Co. I also have a coupon code for that shop. These heart dangly things are also from the Pretty Pink Co. All of my coupon codes will be linked down below. I'm not going to keep mentioning that throughout the voiceover just because obviously it's going to get repetitive. So, okay, into the daily plans. On Monday, I don't know, all my days are quite like uneventful slash boring. I had no meetings at work, and then let's see, I'm just marking with a frame box from Harriet Wright Designs that we had to submit our requests after our home inspections as far as like things that we wanted to get repaired for the house. I did use this new pen, the Uniball, no, sorry, Zebra Sarasa Dry in point 4, and to be honest, I hated using this pen on these premium matte stickers. Like, it really did not write nicely at all. Like, look at this, hold on. It is so bold! It's like the ink spread way more than I'm used to. Like, this is a 0.4 millimeter pen. Like, it should not be a thick line, but it totally is on the smooth premium matte sticker paper, and I was not a fan, but I had already put it down on the page, and so I kind of had to like finish the spread with this pen, but like totally do not recommend that pen for premium matte sticker paper. Just don't use it. Oh my god, I'm like, ugh, I'm like really upset looking at this right now because it is not cute. Okay, what was I saying? On Monday, we also, our lender ordered the appraisal on our home. So basically, like, what I've been doing for the past few weeks is like anything that is home related, I'll put it in like a fancy frame box just so that it kind of stands out. That's really like the most interesting thing that I'm going through right now, you know? Everything else is kind of, mundane, just going with the flow, work, relax at home, go to sleep, go to work, or turn on my computer to go work. Anyway, um, oh, on Tuesday I assembled a new planner cart. I had actually assembled it and it was totally wonky, so my boyfriend and I disassembled it, reassembled it, and it's still like not the best. This is I shared this cart on Instagram when I got it, but it's essentially like it's basically the same as like a three-tier planner cart, except that instead of those like tier trays, or you know what I'm talking about, there are 6 trays that are stacked on this planner cart, and essentially what that does is it gives me a lot of surface area to put my stickers and like binders and other planner supplies when I'm planning. But the cart itself is super like not the best quality, but I kept it, it serves its purposes for what I wanted it for. Okay, on Wednesday we found out that our loan was approved, which honestly, looking back, I don't even know what that means because we still, like, that doesn't, like, loan approved doesn't mean you're clear to close. Like I don't even know what it means. It kind of means like that we can continue with the loan like process. I don't even know. Does anyone know? Because it didn't really seem like there was much of a change from like pre-loan approval to post-loan approval. Like we still had a lot of documents that we had to provide and things we needed to sign and all that. So I don't know. On Wednesday night, I also was able to film, edit, and upload my fire with me, which I was super excited to do. If you have not seen that video before, I will link it down in the description box below because I am super, super proud of that video. And honestly, like, it gave me so much happiness and joy to film. So I am just gonna, link it in as many videos as I can because I love that video. And honestly, like, in my honest opinion, like, everyone should know at least just a little bit about personal finance, even if you, like, maybe your partner is more like um, dealing with the finances than you are. Like, you should still, I would suggest, you should still be familiar with your own personal finance, right? Anyway, okay, sorry for the lecture. Um, let's see. On I know I'm a day behind and I'm sorry. Thursday, my earnest money deposit check cleared. So all those funds came out of my bank account, which was like, again, such a mind fuck. Sorry for the language. But yeah, it's just not fun seeing that much money like leave your account. But anyway, on Friday, I didn't have a lot to mark, so I kind of made like this like deco feature with the heart dangles and a header, and I got that idea from Plants with Brit. Obviously, Brit did a better job than I did, but here is my first attempt at that, and I honestly don't like how it turned out, but whatever. And then at the end of the night, I had a video chat with some of my friends. So I just layered a lace doily from Rose and Tea Shop with a frame box from Hair Right Designs, as well as those dual hearts. Oh my god, that scared me. From Clever Gal Crafts. Okay, hey guys, sorry about that. I was totally scared, but my weirdo boyfriend, he snuck up on me for whatever reason. Okay, and okay, so Saturdays, I'm like, I'm losing my train of thought. Okay, so Saturday I filmed, edited, and uploaded a haul. I used an edit icon from Crafts by Towie to mark that. Then we had training for Archie, so I pulled in my favorite puppy sticker from Honey Inked. And then on the way home, we grabbed some Chipotle. I used a meal utensils icon from a paper blush bar. Then to paint my nails and also to mark, or not to paint my nails, but to mark painting my nails, I pulled in that nail polish sticker from Planning World. And then at the end of the night, I set up a reading stand for my Kindle, and then I just read a book. Sunday was Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day for anyone, or happy belated Valentine's Day to anyone who celebrates. And I just use, I forget what that oval sticker is called, but it's from Rose and Tea Shop. And then I just added some of those heart dangles from the Pretty Pinko, and then a Valentine's Day script from Lilac Luna Plans. So we did not do anything really for Valentine's Day. For the most part, we like to celebrate Valentine's Day on a different day just because, restaurants and places are usually like super, super crowded on the day of Valentine's Day, and we just like don't have the patience for that. So we obviously, it might have been different with the pandemic, but I don't know. I just decided not to do it this year. So we just went to Duke Island Park, which is just, a park nearby that we like to take Archie to. And then we had dinner and played Catan at my boyfriend's parents' house. So super, super fun. Great way to spend Valentine's Day just with, people that I love, right? So here is the pan of the spread. I think it came out really pretty. So I hope that you enjoyed watching. If you did, please remember to smash the like button, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.